Each year, when the weather starts getting colder, we are reminded that cats may crawl up into the engine of parked cars to try and stay warm. To ensure there isn't a cat in the engine, you should bang on the hood of your car to scare the cat off. You can also spray the underside of your vehicle with cat deterrent. But that is not a permanent solution. The spray has to be reapplied often. For a more permanent solution, you can buy an underhood animal repeller. These units emit a sound that is only heard by animals and it keeps them away from your car. Last Sunday, residents in a Brooklyn, New York neighborhood called 911 when they heard a kitten crying. The kitten was trapped inside the engine of a car. Brooklyn Officer Reef and Sergeant Rios responded to the call. Once they had located the kitten, Officer Reef used a car jack to lift the vehicle up so he could crawl under and reach the cat. He was able to reach up and pull the little kitten out with no problems. Other than being all dirty, the kitten was just fine. Back at the police station, Officer Reef washed off the kitten, and the two took some time to snuggle. A fellow police officer was quite smitten with the tiny kitten that he offered to adopt him. Lucky Cat gets rescued and adopted all in the same day. He probably will have no need to crawl inside a car engine ever again to stay warm. Share away, people.